sun kisses my cheeks, a gentle breeze amidst the heat, a dozen flowers have bloomed, surrounding my feet. I am collaborating with my friend Keisha at Sweet Urban Rose. Make sure you check her channel out, all of the links will be in the description box. I'm going to be starting off with this frame. I got it from Poundland, so I'm going to just remove the wood, and I'm not going to be using the frame, and so I'm going to use this part here, just the back. I'm removing the label. Now we're going to set this aside, and you're going to mix up some paint or use whatever colour you want. I'm going to mix this one here and this together. And then once you have the colour that you want, you're going to bring back your piece of wood, and I'm going to just apply some paint on there. And then I'm going to use my roller Okay, so now I'm just going to wait for this to dry. My first layer has dried, but it does need another layer, so I'm just going in with a second coat. I think that should be it with 2 coats, so I'm going to let this dry now. For the next part, I'm going to be using some stamps. If you don't have any, you can use your Cricut, for example, if you've got that. We're just going to create some lettering. I'm going to spell out be humble. You can do be kind. You can write summer, for example, anything that you like. And I'm using this block just so that I can get it as straight as possible, because I always seem to have that problem whenever I'm stamping some lettering. Next, you're going to want a vase of some kind. I've got this little glass one, and I'm also going to take some twine. I'm going to wrap it along the neck of this glass and tie a little bow. Once you've done that, you're going to stick it to your wood, and we're going to do that with E6000. I'm just weighing this down with my glue gun, and I'm going to give it some time to dry, and then I'll come back. Okay, I think this is all set. Nice and secure. So all you're going to do now is take your flowers and insert them inside. And then for the final thing, you're going to take a backing. I don't have one, so I'm having to just, kind of improvise. So I'm going to turn it around, and then all I'm going to do is just hot glue that on the centre at the back here, just so that you can hang it on the wall. So you don't have to, because it does stand on its own like this, but if you want to hang it on a wall, it's just nice to have that option. And this is the finished project. I really love the colours that I've used. I don't typically go for these kind of colours, but I think it's come out really nice. And I actually want to go back to the shop and get 2 more of these frames, because I want to make 2 others, so that it's like a series of 3 that says be humble, be kind and be grateful. As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye!